How do you choose a proper soap for your car when there's so many amazing Chemical Guys products? So instead of us getting into the nitty gritty, we're gonna be going off scents. Maxi suds too. Like bubblegum-ish. And
your one's like orange. Oh my God.
Cotton candy. And just like that, we have 2. Before I choose the soap I'm going with, comment down below and take a guess, but no cheating, all right? I'm gonna let you guys comment down below. All right, so now that you voted, we are coming back, and since it's black car, it's all in its name, black light. So, all you do, you're done. I got my black light car wash shampoo. Let's go wash it now. I have the 2015 Acura in the shop, and it has seen better days. The owner does not care for it whatsoever. The paint has a lot of dust, a lot of grime, a lot of debris. There's even this weird looking leaf. Look, you can even hear the crack of how old this leaf is. There's leaves in there. There's everything in there. So what a better way to restore the shine with just a simple car wash. We always recommend doing a 2-bucket method just so you can reduce scratches and swirls. So in one bucket, I'll be having soap. In the other bucket, I'll have pure water. So like this, every single time I come back from scrubbing the surface of the car, I'll come back to my rinse water and rinse out my wash mitt. So like this, I achieve a scratch-free finish. Get my big mouth, attach it, hear the click, turn the knob, adjust my fan, and let's soap up the car. And you guys can see how thick the suds is that black light is producing. Now, this is what I want. I want the suds to stick onto the surface of the car. I'll grab my wash mitt, put it on my wrist. It might not be a Rolex, but it's a Chemical Guys wristband. Look at this. We always recommend starting from the top. We always recommend doing in linear motions. This is going to prevent any scratches, any swirl marks, or anything that, like, just any damaging to your paint. Because if you do pick up like a rock chip and you're going in circular motions like the Karate Kid, like Mr. Miyagi, what ends up happening is you could cause a swirl mark, and then a swirl mark leads to you bringing out a polisher. You bring out a polisher, you need a compound, a polish, or who knows what, depending how much damage you did to the paint. Now what I'm gonna just do is rinse it all off, and then I'm gonna show you a hack on how to dry a car that has no protection. Now you might ask me, Henry, how do I know that my car has no type of protection? And no protection means when the water just pulls on the surface and it's just dragging on there. So we're actually be using HydroDry, a cleaning and drying hack. All you need to do is just spray it directly onto the surface. The water will disperse. And then after that, you just rinse it off and dry it off. And look, no more water drag whatsoever. The water is beating off, which is accelerating off the surface, and it's going to make drying a lot easier. Now I'm gonna grab my Magnadon drying towel, put it on the surface, drag it, and it's dry. Now the Magnadon drying towel holds up to a gallon of water. If you're that person that has like a big truck, an SUV, a Tahoe, or just a big car or a small car, one towel is more than enough. Look, throw it on, magic trick. Glide it off, and it's dry. And it's dry. There's no more water. Squeaky clean. And there you guys have it. That's how easily and simple and fun it is to wash a super dirty black car. The shine came back, the reflection's there, and nonetheless, it's no longer dusty, it's clean. As always, if you guys do like this content, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time here at Chemical Guys.